Welcome to GEODI. The weekly keyword is fuse. Even Iranians know that the Hezbollah massacre, in which 12 young Druze footballers lost their lives, cannot go unanswered. The head of the Mossad has abandoned the negotiation room to return home. In the meantime, Mr. Netanyahu speaks to the United States Congress of a total victory over Hamas without saying what his strategy is, if he has one. As in a Sergio Leone film, the fuse burns quickly and the explosion seems close. The bang will hurt everyone. Netanyahu will no longer have support at home. Erdogan, who could lose control of the situation given the tensions with the Palestinians. Hezbollah, which the Lebanese people are tired. Hamas, who is looking for an honorable way out and not to lose control in Gaza. Iran, which is engaged in a delicate phase of political transition. For these reasons, we expect someone to put out the fuse at the last second. Maybe with a boat hill, just like in a Sergio Leone film.